Today I'm working on a 2016 BMW 328. Just making a quick video talking about something. This car was dropped off. It was towed in, and it's a no start. It acted like a dead battery. So went under the hood. There's a jump post. Jump started it, and car fired right up like normal. Pulled the jumper off, and it won't start. So I went back here to inspect the battery, and the wire for the shut off these terminals on the battery that are responsible for an accident separating. So for safety reasons, they can disconnect the positive and negative lead, so you don't have a live battery, in the car. Where the wiring for it is all completely melted down. So I went into the software with the scan tool, and this battery is not the correct amp hour battery for this vehicle, and it hasn't been coded in. That may be part of what caused this. I'm not 100% sure yet, but it's definitely something you want to do. So if you're changing a battery at home on one of these, you want to make sure that whatever battery is in the car, you put one that's the same type of battery and the same amp hour rating as the one that's currently in the car. If you don't have a scan tool and you can't program it, because it relies on knowing that amp hour rating to charge the battery correctly, and you can cause a lot of issues. On some of the ones that are older, they can damage footwell control modules and stuff like that by putting the wrong battery in, and a lot of other issues. So this battery wasn't the hold down is not even working. It's loose in here, and all this wiring is going to have to be repaired. I'm going to have to replace the terminal because it's melted down on both sides. This wiring is also damaged going to the positive lead. So I'm going to fix all that, replace the terminals, replace the battery with one that's correctly sized for this car, program it in, and hopefully it'll be good. But yeah, if you're doing a battery swap at home, just put the same one in it had if you can't code it, and then just have it programmed next time you're in the shop. But it won't be as urgent as long as the amp hour rating is the same. So, and also the type, AGM, lead acid. Make sure you pay attention to that. It should all be on the sticker on the battery typically. If it's an AGM battery, put an AGM battery back in. Just put whatever battery came out back in, and you should be good. So that's it. Thanks for watching.